Hi, I'm Steve Oehlert, and this is the Oehlert Brothers Winter Update. I can't go without mentioning our staff at Oehlert Brothers who worked tremendously hard through the severe cold temperatures. It really takes a team, whether it's the delivery drivers, technicians, and the office staff, all working together to get our customers in heat so there's not any major problems. So a big thank you to our staff at Oehlert Brothers. We don't have a choice when we have to work hard and overtime because the temperatures dictate that for us. And we have to do what it takes to keep all of our customers in comfort. When it comes to severe temperatures, Pennsylvania experiences them from time to time, but really not often enough for homeowners to really know what to do and what to look for. During these severe cold outbreaks, Oehlert Brothers had a banner on our homepage on the web linking to tips for what to do during severe cold temperatures. We also put out Facebook posts and emails trying to help out our customers during these severe temperatures. So if you haven't seen us on Facebook or looked in our emails or gone to our homepage, be sure to do that just so you can find out what's necessary during these cold temperatures. We've had several houses that froze up, pipes break, 20,000 gallons of water gets all over the place. It is a horrible thing to see and experience, and we don't want that happening to any of our customers. So please check that out. During a stretch of severe cold, many customers get concerned about running low on heating oil, and rightly so. No one wants to run out and have a cold house. If you have a quarter of a tank of fuel, you will probably have about 60 to 70 gallons in your tank. An average house with an average usage may use about 5 to 7 gallons per day during a cold stretch. Now, our automated delivery system shows us on a daily basis approximately how much is in your delivery tank. So we can see if you have 10 days, 15 days, 20 days worth of product. So when you call, we're looking at this screen that we're showing you now. That gives us a really close approximation of how much fuel you have.
Got to get this spot up here.
During severe cold temperatures, a lot of heating systems start breaking down and can't keep up with the cold. If your warm air furnace is 17 to 20 years old, it's a good idea to start thinking about replacement. Also, if you have hot water system with baseboard or radiators, your boiler should be replaced in around 25 years. It's never a good idea to start spending a lot of money on repairs when that same money can be used towards a new, efficient system. If your warm air furnace or boiler is older than 17 or 25 years, consider a free estimate to get a price on a new system. You'll also have a more efficient system and it'll be more comfortable for your home. Just call us and our installation manager, Mark Derricks, will come out to give you a free estimate. Also, if your tank is more than 30 years old, it should be replaced. Even though a tank may look in perfectly good condition, tanks fail from the inside out. They start pinholing through the steel and you'll end up with a tank that starts dripping and leaking. So after 30 years, call us for a free estimate to get your tank replaced. Thank you for supporting 100% American Fuel, which supports American jobs and infrastructure and keeps that heating oil energy dollars in the U.S. And certainly thank you for your business. We certainly appreciate all of your business all year long. We're a small family-owned business, and that's very important to us to have long-term loyal customers. So thank you for watching the Oehlert Brothers Winter Update. Soon it will be spring, and hopefully we're celebrating an Eagles Super Bowl victory.